I'm Margaret Holt and I'm Bookstart Coordinator with Cardiff Libraries, and today I've come along with Bookstart Bear to share some of our favourite rhymes. I'd like to start off with a hello song that we usually do at most sessions. It goes, hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you? How are you today? Yay! Welcome everyone. Okay, now I'm going to start off with a favourite one now. The wheels on the bus go round and round. So join in well at home, okay? Mums, dads, grannies and grandpas. Okay, here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. Then the horn goes beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. And then the children on the bus go up and down. The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down all day long. Yeah, well done. Okay, now Bookstart Bear's got the favourite one, round and round the garden. Okay, so will we do that together on our hands, okay? Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, and a tickly under there. Okay, we do that one again. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, and a tickly under there. And then the second verse. Round and round the garden in the wind and rain. One step, two step, and a tickly there again. Yeah, well done. Okay, now I'm going to do a number one in Welsh. The counting up to 10. Un, dau, tri, pedwar, pump, chwech, saith, wyth, naw, deg. And it's the banana song. So you may know this one. If not, we'll do it a few times. Un a dau a tri banana, pedwar, pump a chwech banana, saith a wyth a naw banana, deg banana melon, 10 yellow bananas. We'll do it again, okay? Un a dau a tri banana, pedwar, pump a chwech banana, saith a wyth a naw banana, deg banana melon. Yeah. Now, another number one is two little dicky birds, and I've got my little friends here. I'm going to give it, and it's two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. Okay, so it goes. Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Okay, we'll do that once more. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Yeah, thank you. Okay, right. See you next time.